In this video, I'll show you how you can add a product to Shopify. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is go to Shopify, of course, sign into your store, and then if you take a look at the menu or the sidebar right here, you'll be able to find products. You want to click on that, and then you can start adding products. So right there, you'll find add products. Click on that, and you can basically add your product. Next up, you can put in the title. So let's say that I'm selling short sleeves. You can then put in a short sleeve. Right here you can put a description, so put in whatever you want. So I'm just going to do this at random. I don't recommend doing this. The best short sleeves for in the summer, whatever. Just put in a description that fits your products. Okay, so don't do this, just don't make up some random stuff like this. I don't recommend doing that. Next up, you can add a photo. So you can add a photo of the product. Now let's say that it's this. You then add that as the media, and there you go. So make sure that it has the correct sizes, and you can also add more photos by clicking right here. Now you can then do the pricing. So let's say that you're selling those for 50 euros. You then put in 50 euros. Compare price, you can put in at whatever. Let's say 57. Now cost per item, customers won't see this. So let's say that it costs you like $30 to make this, then you put in 30 or whatsoever. Then you can also charge tax on this product if you need to. Now in my country, I definitely need to, so I click charge tax on this product. And next up, you've got inventory. So depending on if you have inventory or if you're just doing drop shipping, this just depends on your product, to be honest. So I cannot recommend anything on this. That's just up to you, up to your business, up to your store. So that will be different for everyone watching this video. Okay, so next up we have shipping. So this is a physical product. Now let's say that you're not selling physical products. You then unpick this, but if you're selling a physical product, just like a long sleeve or short sleeve, short sleeves, then you would have to pick that box, of course, because it is indeed a physical product. Next up, you can add the weight. So let's say that you want to do this like in LB, whatever. Yeah, you put in the weight. So let's say that it's 1 kilogram. You put in 1, So all of this makes sense, to be honest. Now you can add multiple options on a product. So let's say that you have long sleeves, but a few different variants. So let's say you have different colors and just a little bit different long sleeve available. You can then go down and you can click right here on this product has multiple options like different sizes or colors. You can then add these. So let's say that you have different colors. You then click right here and you then pretty much give the color right here, and then you can do that again right here. So let's say that you have different sizes, you put in sizes, and you then keep going like that. But that's pretty much how you can add a product to Shopify. It isn't that hard, to be honest. You just go to all products, you click on add product, and you then start customizing the product for your store. You can also do stuff with collections right here, with tags, and also the product type. But like I said, all of this depends on what kind of store you have and what kind of product you're trying to add. So I cannot really recommend anything on this. Just do your own research on this. Like I said, it depends on your store. But that's pretty much how you can add a product. You then hit save right there. Okay, so because I didn't add colors and sizes, I cannot save it. So let's say that I put in white and whatever size right there. You then hit save, and it's then gonna add a product to your Shopify store. And there you go. Now, if the video helped you out, please leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of store you have. I would be interested in that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.